Hello everyone, it's Rocky. Thanks for joining my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I wanted to show you behind the scenes in my closet, the lifestyle of a vlogger. You've seen the tour of my closet, but that was like right after the new year, and I'd come up with a resolution that I was going to be organized for 2018. I was going to do all the right things, put things away, keep my clothes clean, and fast forward a few months. I'm going to show you what my closet looks like now. And I really do try. I honestly do try. But all of the vlogs that I do, the ripping and running, just day-to-day life, it's really hard. And I'm not motivated to like put stuff away. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. I think you might remember that I was in this closet. I was in this closet and you saw me in this mirror, but there weren't any clothes here. So here on this rack here, you can see I still have stuff from vlogs that I did. This is from my capsule wardrobe. It's still hanging. Here's the dress from the capsule wardrobe, still here. All the things, the vest, for example, all of that stuff from the capsule wardrobe is still hanging and has not been put away. In addition to a few other items. Yeah, the organization around here pretty much stays the same, but I just struggle with putting things away once I'm done with them. So as you can see here, you have the things from my capsule haul. Here's my vlogging equipment or my YouTube equipment hanging here, my big old light that's in there. My closet with all my shoes, a wreck, a complete wreck. Nothing standing up all pretty and neat anymore. It's just a wreck. Yeah. Things still stay in color order for the most part, but sigh, let's sigh. Then here are some things that are clean that I folded, but just since I like things in color order, I like things to be precise. I would rather, and then I can't reach these high shelves. I have to use a step stool to get up and reach the high shelves. So I don't feel like that extra step. So here lies my sweaters until I can get to them. You guys can still see some things from my keep or sell, some other things there from my vlog. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this outfit. Here are a ton of things from my vlogs, from keep or sell, from whatever have you. And now I've just knocked some down on the floor, so that doesn't help my cause. And then we pan around. I have shoes that I don't have a home for. You've seen these. These are the sparkly boots from Akira. Have not worn them. They're still in the box. Then there's my Adidas that I had my fun story about. And then my shiny Pumas. Those are still sitting here. And the Born shoes from the other day, from the other vlog that I just did. There those are. But yeah, all the shoes here, you've seen these. These stay pretty nice because it's pretty easy to pull one pair down and hang them back up. That's pretty easy. I can do that. But then when I do a vlog on the things I just bought, and then finding a home for them, not so much. Sigh. And here I just brought this stool in here. I really told myself I was gonna organize this a bit before I started the vlog, but not so much. These are clothes that I've washed and just put to the side. Here are more clothes that I've worn or just bought. Actually just bought and just put here. Well, not just bought, but you've seen them in my vlogs, and I just put them up here. These are items that I've worn. This is the the infamous, I've worn these things. They're too dirty to put back, but too clean to put in the dirty bin. So therein lies some things that are, I don't know, just there. And then a massive pile of clean laundry that I need to put away. And again, the whole thought of folding them neatly with my folder. I swear I fold things like they do in the Gap store with my little folder. Everything has to be an exact size. They have to hang a certain way in a particular color order. As you can see, my little rainbow here, I hang things in a particular order of color. it's a daunting task, but I would rather them sit here than for me to put them back in a disorganized way. Sigh again. Anyway, so as you can see, this is sort of behind the scenes. I'm here, I'm in my PJs. This is the stuff that I sleep in. And then look at these cool socks. They're Wonder Woman socks. They were a gift from a really good friend. I love these socks. Well, they're actually footies. They have grippies on the bottom that you can walk on. So love the socks. But nonetheless, this is behind the scenes. I cry about this all the time with my girlfriends. Like, how do you keep your closet in order, you know, once you're like struggling every morning to figure out what are you gonna wear? How do you like stay disciplined to put your things away? But I cannot. This is not what I do. So anyway, that's that. Hope that puts some perspective behind a little bit of like the life of, you know, doing these videos and the mess that it creates and the extra work that you have to do. And then, I mean, regular life, right? You have to keep your closet in order anyway. So I will do this is to be continued, because I'm going to make a promise to you and to me, more so to me, that I'm going to clean my closet, put things away, and then it's going to be all pretty just like it was on my closet tour. Maybe even better. I'm going to challenge myself to make it look better than my closet tour. Anyway, thank you for joining, and hopefully that gave some insight on behind the scenes. Bye, guys.